Hey guys, welcome back to Two Men Maths. Today we'll be discussing the Irrational Conjugates Theorem and how we can use this theorem to help us find zeros to write a polynomial function. As usual, let's start off with an idea. Let's say f is a polynomial function with rational coefficients, and let a and b be rational numbers such that the square root of b is irrational. Now, if a plus the square root of b is a zero of f, then a minus the square root of b is also a zero of f. Now, the idea portion basically summarizes the theorem. If a plus the square root of b is a zero of f, meeting all the prior conditions, then a minus the square root of b is also a zero of f. And now this also applies vice versa. So that means that if a minus the square root of b is a zero of f, meeting the prior conditions, then a plus the square root of b is also a zero of f. Now let's use zeros to write our polynomial function. Let's say we're given this polynomial function, f, that has rational coefficients, a leading coefficient of 1, and the zeros 3 and 2 plus the square root of 5. Now we can see that the coefficients are rational, and now we can actually write this in factored or intercept form. If you need a quick recap of what intercept form is, it's basically writing it in factored form. So let's say we're given a specific polynomial, and once we do factoring, we will get another type of polynomial, but it's factored form. And so that's basically how you can use to actually find the x-intercepts of a given polynomial. So hopefully that makes sense. And now we can just regroup these terms. As you can see, we have now bracketed the x minus 2 in both portions. Now, in order to avoid any confusion, the reason why we're doing, for example, x minus 3 when it says that the 0 is a positive 3 is, think about it in this way, right? If x in x minus 3 was 3, then the so-called y value would be 0. And that's what x-intercept is, when the y value is a 0. So hopefully that makes sense why we do kind of the reverse. So that's why we have x minus and then bracket 2 plus the square root of 5. We just kind of count that as one item to avoid any confusion. And now we just regroup the terms and we multiply out. So the x minus 2 comes up twice. We multiply that, which makes it squared, and then we expand it using the special binomial pattern. Or you can just do the FOIL method, and then you can simplify, which gets us x minus 3 times x minus 4x minus 1. And then we multiply out again, and then we combine the like terms, and we retrieve the answer of x cubed minus 7x squared plus 11x plus 3. Hope this video helped. Comment down below any other math topics you want me to review. Thank you.